And we're at the other place again. What's today? Today is 13th. Ooh, bad luck day. And it's a new moon. 13th of July, 2022. And it's a car show again here at this bar here at Hector, Minnesota. And I got the silver one here. Corvette parked next to me. That's good luck, huh? This old Chevy looks nice.
Nobody tried to line up at all.
Yeah, how are we gonna do this? It's 3 in the middle. You got that. Whatever that thing is. You got a second silver Grand Am too. And we got the Cadillac Corvette that I've seen before. I haven't seen this one before.
They were a 394. That was a 396 version of the. Because right there they still look like
custom color.
Okay.
Might be a good place to probably try to sell some.
Oh, Hudson, wow.
So like in Litchfield over there, they actually...
I'm going to take a couple pictures of these. Anyway, that's it for now at about 6 o'clock p.m. We might get more later. We'll talk to you later.